and we're going to continue with our PowerPoint Google slide. Remember, we are working on PowerPoint because we cannot work on PowerPoint at the moment since we all have different versions of PowerPoint, as I've mentioned in the previous one. So right now we did this and we stopped right here. We have all this slide number 1, slide number 2, slide number 3, slide 4, and 5. And now we're going to move to the next section, next part where now we're going to animate. That will make things to move and will make our slides to be colorful, bright, and eye-catching, to be attractive to the eye. Okay, so we're going to do the following. We're going to insert background into the slide. We're going to insert graphics. We're going to move and reshape the pictures or graphics. We're going to animate graphics. We're going to add auto shapes. Okay, so by now you have submitted your work on Google Classroom. So you go again to Google Classroom, the very same activity, week 3, starting with presentation. By now, everybody submitted. So you're going to click on Unsubmit. Once you're done clicking on Unsubmit, then you're going to click on your Google slide. Click on it, then it's going to open on a new page. Then you're going to start work on it. You will start working on it. Insert background. Most of this part of animation, it's more of PowerPoint, which is slightly different with Google Slide. So I will just go through quickly and show how it's done on our slides. Move your mouse. So you're going to read insert background. These are steps to go about it, but I'll show you how to do it. Okay, slide number 1 says insert a preset background of your choice. So slide number 1, we're going to insert a background of our choice. So it's going to look like this. Background of our choice. So it's going to look like this. You will see your background here. So you click on background and you insert any background of your choice. So if you like, you can go for a picture and maybe you get it from here. Then you search it. But I like to put a color instead. Color. And I'm going to go for this color. You see, yeah, that's a perfect color for me. So it preset, we don't have it here. So let me see. Let me undo. Okay, undo that. So if you make a mistake like me, you can also go here and you undo because you need to have different backgrounds. Okay, so I have that one here. If you like to change it, maybe to get rid of it, you go reset, then you go back to the light one. Okay, and we're gonna come again. So I'm gonna choose my color. So you can choose a solid color. So you only have solid color picture, or gradient. So gradient looks like that. There's theme. And down here, just come here and play around. You need to just play around. So you're going to have custom. If you like gray color, you can change that. You move here, move here. Why is not moving? Okay, so gradient is not moving. So it's linear, there's radial, it's change. You click on center or left, like it changes. Play around and see how it's going to respond if you click on certain things and not on certain things. Okay, let me just put my color here. So I need solid color and I love this one. Once you're done, you click on done. Let me check the next instruction. The next instruction says right here, it says second part. Before we go to slide number 2, second part, it says select apply. Not apply to all of them, but just one slide should have a preset background. You're not going to choose background, so you're going to choose any one of your choice. Slide number 2, insert a background using a texture fill. Texture fill, like when you touch the ground or when you touch the rocks, like you can feel the texture. We don't have it here, but with Google, with Microsoft PowerPoint, we have it. So we will use gradient. So make sure that you go on to click on your second slide, and after clicking on your second slide, you need to click on background. Then background, you will choose this one here. There's an arrow facing down. Click on it. Then you have option choose gradient. This one looks like you can feel it, like texture. So you will choose anyone. So I'm going to go for a slightly brighter color. I'm going to go for this one. Once we're done, click done. So now we are on slide number 3. It says insert a two-colored background. One of the colors must be yellow. So this is how you go about it. Remember, background, always click just below. You're not going to click on the writings, not that part, just outside the box. That's where you're going to click on, and the background is going to come. I want you guys to see the difference. If you click inside the writings, if you look up here, the background is not there anymore. Let's click outside. That's where you find it. Easy way, fastest way to find your background. So that's where you find it, and you're going to click on background. Remember, you must insert, you must enter two colored background. So you're going to click on that. You're going to go down to custom. Custom, why did it go like that? So it's gonna happen. We will go again. Okay. So let me show you what happened. So I clicked on that one, then it went. So you click on the arrow facing down, and you just click on custom, not the one that's already there, because you want to create your one. Then it's going to give you a chance to, if you move this, you can see right here it gets the color that you want. Or you can slightly move it to the right. Yeah. Okay. So you want a grayish yellow looking like. Remember, one of the colors must be yellow. If it's yellow, then it's perfect. So click on yellow, then you click on done. Then you have it's a little bit yellow and blackish and grayish. So we're done with that one. Let's go to the last one. Let's check the instructions. Number 4, it says insert the background of your choice. Now you're putting any of your choice. So for this one, I'm gonna go for, should I go for a picture? Let's try go for a picture. Let insert image and upload. If you have images on your laptop, camera, you can take a camera of yourself and take an image if you like. You can, if you have URL, photos of your own. Okay, photos of your own. So if you have photos, then you can use those ones. Google Drive. Okay, images. So you're going to search from Google. Google search image. So I'm going to search. What should photo should I? Smiley face. I'll go for smiley face. So you go for whichever. If you choose to go for a picture, then you can go for smiley face. So I'll go for this one here. Click on it, then insert will come, then click on insert, then click on done. Okay, and let's wait because it's a picture. It's going to take few minutes. Okay, please come. We will wait. Okay, there you have it. So you have your emoji, and now once you're done with that one, then you're going to move. You're going to move to next instruction. It says now you're inserting image. So we're going to insert images. Slide number 1, insert picture of your choice. So you're going to insert a picture of your choice. But right at the end, it should be looking like this. So we're going to go back. Let me show you how to go about it. So you click on the first slide. Slide number 1, please click on insert image. We're going to get images from the web. Then right here on the right side of your screen is going to pop and we'll say teacher. Okay, so let's see what's going to come. You can say I want a teacher reading. Okay, let's see what's going to come. and then okay, I'll go for this one. Click on it. So you choose any. You don't have to use the ones that I used. So you're going to start creating an image, and you're going to set it nicely the way you wish. The way you wish. Okay, so I have it there, and I'm now going to go to next instruction. Gonna move up. Next instruction. Where is it? It's inside image. It's up. Okay. It says resize the picture so that it fits in the slide. Click on, then you resize, you did. Remember, resize, you click, you just place it nicely where you want it to be. Okay, slide number two. Slide number two, guys, we have to insert a call. A call. Click on slide number two. Again, insert image from the web. Search the web. So it's going to come. I'll just say car, and let's see what's going to come. Whoa, all nice cars are coming. All nice cars are coming. Which one am I going to go for? Okay, I'm gonna go for this one because I like. Um, it's more like cartoon drawing, drawn picture. It looks cool to me. You insert the ones that you like, guys. So it's full on my screen. I need to make sure that I'm going to adjust it so it fits. Doesn't hide my lovely writings. Okay, so my car, and I'll move it just here where there's no writings. Now I'm gonna go to slide number 3. Let's read the instructions and see what we should do. Slide number 3, insert a picture of an aeroplane and a ball. Two pictures, aeroplane and a ball. Insert image, search the web. Let's start with a ball. We're gonna have yeah, I'm gonna click this one. Any one of your choice, as long as it's a ball. Okay, a ball is going to be created and it fills up our screen, but we don't want it to fill up our screen. Gonna get the size that we really want. So it's nicely fit on our slide. Okay. And the second one should be an aeroplane. Again, insert image, search the web. Okay, now we have aeroplane. Oh, internet is gone. Reconnecting. Okay, let's try again. Insert image, search the web, aeroplane. Hey, and I'm going to go for this one that's taking off. Click on it, insert. Then it's gonna fill up your slide. Make sure that you click and hold in one corner. Then you go get the size that you really want. Okay, it's taking off. I'm gonna put it right here, still big. So I'm gonna hold the left top corner. Okay, now I've got two pictures that I want. And let's go to the last slide. Last slide, what is the instruction? Last slide is draw an auto shape. So now we're going to draw shape. Insert text box shapes. And let's see, what shape should it be? Star. Okay, star. Auto shape star. Insert and shapes. We then going to look for star. Where's the star, please? Look. It's not here, not here. Where's my lovely star? Sun, auto shape star, auto shape. It's not here. The arrows, equation, shapes. Where are the shapes? Arrows. Star. Then show me more. Show me more. Show me more. Show me more. Wait, we don't have star. And we can't search for a star. Okay, so we're gonna go for, so since we do not have a star, okay, that's done. So you're going to say insert. And the shape that we need to put is a star. Okay, and we don't see a star. I can't see a star, so we have a diamond. Let's go for diamond, guys. So it's going, the X is going to come on your screen. Make sure that you click drag, then your diamond is right down here. So you have your auto shape.